Experiencing Ethernet connection problems with your T-Mobile router? Here's a breakdown of common causes and how to resolve them. First, check the physical connection. Ensure the Ethernet cable is securely plugged into both your device and the router's LAN port. A loose connection is a frequent culprit. Next, reboot your T-Mobile router. This simple step often resolves temporary glitches by resetting the network connection and reassigning IP addresses. If problems persist, inspect the Ethernet cable itself. Look for any signs of damage, like bends or cuts. Try swapping it with a known working cable to rule out cable failure. These basic checks solve the majority of Ethernet connectivity issues. If basic fixes don't resolve the Ethernet issue, access your router's admin panel through a web browser by entering 192.168.1.1 or a similar address. Log in using credentials printed on the router. Navigate to the DHCP settings in the admin panel. Verify DHCP is enabled so devices can automatically receive IP addresses. Check the IP address range to ensure it's not exhausted or conflicting with static IPs. If you suspect an IP conflict, release and renew the IP address on your connected device. On Windows, use command prompt with ipconfig/release followed by ipconfig/renew. For other systems, check network settings for similar options. If issues persist, update your router's firmware to the latest version to fix connectivity problems. Alternatively, set a static IP address outside the DHCP range on your device and test the connection.